Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and we'll try this for a third time. This phone is playing up today, so I do apologise about that. 3 times I've tried to record this. So yeah, right, so this is a parcel that has come from all the way from Canada and Newfoundland. It's at quite a rocky road because when Roxanne sent it, for some apparent reason, the reship team couldn't figure out what parcel, what unit this belonged to. So what they did was they had this package in the unit and there was like, where does it belong to? Roxanne must have forgot to put the suite number on. So I had to go, right, well, here's the, it is delivered. Here it is, why ain't it been allocated? So it's been sitting in there for God knows how many weeks because they couldn't find the suite number. No, Roxanne forgot to put the suite number on it. So, yes, it's just been a bit delayed. And then, of course, it's floating around America somewhere. And the tracking number that they give me was Raw Mail. Well, of course, Raw Mail is not going to track in the USA. So they basically had a courier. They wouldn't tell me who the courier was. But all they kept saying was it was floating between Toronto. And, yeah, I could not track it. It's just been, like, really painstaking waiting for this, considering I paid for like a 6-day service. But anyway, we've got it now and that's all that matters. So this has come all the way from Canada, and looky, we have a little gift here. And what's so special about this is it's come from Newfoundland. I've never had a parcel that is from Newfoundland, home to Titanic, Canada. I mean, I've always thought Canada was not part of the USA, but it is. So anyway, this is a parcel from Roxanne Tucker, yes. And it says, "Hi Mike, I hope this reaches you. Happy birthday, my friend. May you have a great time, diamond painting. Hugs, Roxanne at Craft Addict Roxanne from Roxanne Tucker." So do check her channel out. She's a lovely Canadian woman. And yeah, there is an option where you can press a button and it says request additional photos. They'll take a photo of every single item. But I was like, I'm not risking all them drills going missing. No thanks. So yeah, I don't know what to expect. It's obviously a massive giant. Oh wow, bloody hell, Roxanne! How much have you spent? Look, you get this massive bundle. Oh wow. Wow, I've never seen that before. So you get one big bundle in this giant bag. Well, that is a first. You mark the milestone for the first person to get me this giant bundle thing. So, wow, can't believe it. Let's see what we've got. Have we got sunflower? Oh, wow. Oh, blimey, you've really treated me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you so very much. Oh, wow. Let's see what we got. We're going to get them out first, all the way from Roxanne Tucker. Oh, this is amazing. Absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to go for this one first, which is... Oh, wow. I've just seen what it is. Look, guys. It's a little giraffe. Oh, yes. You know me too well. Oh, yes. This marks... Well, this is quite good because Hamley's now got a boyfriend. No, Hamley's now got a girlfriend, so I'll put that with Hamley because I've got a giraffe called Hamley. So, oh, wow. Look at this. Oh, isn't she adorable? Wow. Oh, yes. And look. Sorry, we've got all this colour block as well. I mean, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. You've got all this teal, light, all this teal, I can't think today, colour block. And then you've got these little roses in the hair of the giraffe. This is just super cute. And I'm going to do a thing what Roxanne does. She pulls it back and then she'll go like that. So I've never done that before, but I don't know what... Oh, do you know what? This is gorgeous. 20 colours here. We've got our standard boat here with baggies. All the way from Canada. I feel like I bought it from the zoo. And then in here we have... Oh, yeah. Roxanne has been waiting so long for me to unbox this, but we've had a bit of a cock up at the reship place. So we've got the brown and then there. And then we have Oh yes, look at this. Some pinks, brown. It reminds me of that Neapolitan ice cream. The brown, pink and the vanilla. I used to love Neapolitan. I used to call it Napolitan. And then they told me it was Napoleon. But then we got grey, we got a green, we got a green, we got a grey, and a pink, and a purple, and a pink, and a green, and some soap. I filmed next to the sink and it's obviously got stuck in the sink. We've got a brown and a green and a green and a green and a purple, a peach and a grey and a green and a purple and a peach. You see, I'm very excited about this because, like, I cannot tell you how excited I am to get a package from Newfoundland. It's so exciting. Right, let's get into the next one. So, the next one is, I think it's a peacock. Is it peacock? What's this? Oh my god, it's a deer! Oh wow! Oh wow! Right, you know my love for deers. I can't get into this. What's going on? Oh wow! I get the vibe that these are all animals. I could be wrong, but oh, I can't get into this. Right, that's it. Drastic action mode, guys. Drastic action. We're gonna make an incision here. Oh man! Oh yeah! Look at this. Oh yeah, man. Oh wow. Yeah. Look at this. Roxanne Tucker. Look at that. Bambi or what? This reminds me of Bambi. You know Bambi, the Disney film Bambi, where you've got Farlene. I think it was Farlene, weren't it? Farlene. I've just seen more around, but I've had the delivery today because this is the delivery. Yeah, you had Farlene, and then you had Bambi. Oh, that's beautiful. I think that's is that a branch or an owl? It looks like an owl. Oh, this is gorgeous. You've got that lovely waterfall through as well. Oh, that's lovely. 27 colours in this one, guys. So let's take a look at the colours. We've got a single bag. And we've also got... Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at this. Green and orange and blues. Lots of blues, actually. We've got a brown in here. We've got a orange, sort of Sunny D colour. We have a drink called Sunny D. And, yeah. Peachy pink there. We've got a mustardy green wasabi colour there. Wasabi is a P over here. We've got a peach. Well, actually, I'd say vanilla. Then we've got a very sort of, yeah, again, pea green. And then we've got lovely green. We've got another dark green. See, again, that lovely contrast between light and dark. Really, really gorgeous. And then we've got... Just going to have to get the towel again. It keeps falling in the sink here. Sorry. And then there's not much room on this worktop over here. But we've got a sort of mustardy colour, an orange, a brown, and a black. And we've also got... We've got a white... What the hell is that? We've got a ooh, I don't know. Vanilla honeycomb. I'll go for honeycomb. Blue, and then that's a lovely blue actually. We've got a vanilla, a green, and an orange. So thank you very much for that one there. We're then going to move into this one, and oh, is it a flower? I get so many gifts. Like people just love me. Oh wow, Roxanne Tucker, you have done a fabulous job here. Is that a flower? No, I'm getting two eyes. Oh my god, please, is that the... Please don't tell me that's that cow that Liz Harrison had. If that's that cow, I will so love it. It's the cow! Oh, yes! Oh yes, it's the cow. Oh yes! I swear I've got this one. This looks awfully familiar, actually. Did I get this on Vinted? I'm sure I got another one like this. Have I got another one like this? I'm going to have to look back. I could have sworn I've got this painting before. But look, how could you not say no? She's so lovely. 22 colours in this one. She's got that lovely rose in her hair. I'm not going to lie. I think I've got this. It looks awfully familiar, but I will check my files and see whether I have got this, because I think this is cropped up before, but I'll double check. Either way, I'm still going to do it. And then we've got the big bold eyes of the cow. Is it me, or do cows generally have big eyes? And then we've got the perhaps she's been licking an ice cream and she's going lovely, you know. 22 colours and canvases. And we're going to look at the pack of jewels here. We've got the boat, standard boat. And, yeah, so Roxanne Tucker, you can stop stressing knowing that it's reached me in my country now, the United Kingdom. So, we got there in the end. And there we go. Because Roxanne was proper stressing. She was like, well, where's it gone, you know? But yeah, we got there in the end. So we got white and we got a purple and some other. And let's have a look at this one here. We got pink and we got brown and green and orange. And he wants to try and attack me here. Brown and blue and grey and army green, peach, blue, orange, blue, a pink, a blue, an orange, a green, a blue, a red, a grey, and a green. So that's that. Lovely. So let's see on the next canvases. And, oh, it's a butterfly. Ah, yeah, man. It's a butterfly. Ah, let's have a look and see what it is. Because when it was in reship, they were all sort of like stacked like that. And I couldn't tell what was what. So this is like the first time I've seen it properly, you know. Oh, wow. Right, now Diamond Painting by T just said something. Oh, it's the fox. Oh, yes. I've been looking at this on Amazon. No way. How did you know I like foxes? But I think this is what Tida was saying. Tida was saying something about that they've moved double-sided tape to this really thick film stuff. This feels like that, but then again, it feels pretty nice. This is superb. Look at this, guys. Absolutely fabulous. You've got this gorgeous pink. The orange butterfly is probably a tiger butterfly. And then we've got the orange. That even actually looks like a butterfly, to be fair. And so does that. But I think they're flowers. And then you've got this lovely fox, probably from Bambi. Not Bambi, The Fox and the Hound, where you've got Todd. And he's probably... I'm going to name him Todd. Yeah. Do you know what? He's Todd from The Fox and the Hound. And he's just meeting that little butterfly. And the butterfly looks like he's going to land on his nose there. Could you imagine if he sneezed? He should be going, whee! And flying. Should be like... Oh man, 23 colours on the canvases, and this is beautiful. Lots of colour block, really beautiful painting. This is superb. Do you know what? It's giving me like an autumn vibe here, so maybe we'll do that next autumn. But wow, 25 colours on the canvases, and then we got this one here, which is the standard boat with the baggie. Oh wow. Thank you very much. Oh, yes. Wow. So let's have a look on this one. Oh, yeah, they're probably going to be light colours. Really beautiful ones here. We've got pastel peach there. We've got a lilac. We've got a purple. We've got a pink. We've got a, baby pink, maybe, blue. We've got a brown. We've got a blue and a white and a red. That's gorgeous, very vibrant. Dark blue there, probably a war blue. Banana, as the minions would say. And then we've got the orange and another orange and orange and another sort of peachy pink, hot pink. And then we've got a lilac and then we've got a blue and a peach. And then we have a purple and a brown and an orange and a brown and a brown. Yeah, man. Super cool. Right, we're getting to the end of the canvases here, guys. So we've got the next one now, and I think this is a sunflower. And my good friend over in Australia, Diamond Petter, she's going to love this because she loves sunflowers. So let's have a look and see what Roxanne has got me. Oh, yeah. I didn't actually know you could buy them in bundles, so that's quite good to know, unless it's just like a USA thing. Oh, it's a little piggy! Oh, wow! Right, Lazy Retired Granny, we've got another pig. Oh my god, Wilbur's had a kid. Wilbur's had a baby pig, and his name's Babe Pig. Yes, Wilbur and Babe Pig. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yes. Look, it's a piggy! Oh, man, I'm super excited. I'm really sorry, but when I see pigs, I get very excited because they're just so mischievous, you know. So this is really chuck the cat at the bag here in a minute, because I thought it was a sunflower, and then we're discovered by a pig in the middle of the sunflower. How cute is that? That is so Wilbur's son, and Wilbur's had a son called Babe now. So this is Babe, which is Wilbur's son. So this, oh man, that's going to be next year, I think. This is gorgeous. 18 colours on the schematic there. It's a 30x40. Really beautiful light up day painting. If you're having a bad day or you're a bit grumpy, get yourself this out, start whipping chatting, and it will give you a lovely smile. Because the thing is with this, flowers have this incredible ability that they will make you smile. Seeing lots of colour makes you smile. For example, I have the baby cactus. And I don't know what the hell this is. Some plant that my sister's got, but some thingamajig here. So yeah, really love this. Thank you so very much. And then we'll have a look at the drills. And we've got this one here, lovely little boat. And then, I can't believe you got me a piggy. I love piggy. It's like Christmas. I'm super excited. You know, it's so cool. Brown, we've got a mauve, yellow, another yellow there, and a green, and a black, and a green, and an orange, and a green. Oh yeah, look at that beauty. That's a lovely colour. And then we've got baby pink, and then we brown, orange, and then we've got an army green, a yellow, a very sort of, that's probably like that colour, I suppose. No, it's brown. And then we've got a lighter sort of mauvey colour, a peach, and a pink. So it's now time to reach the last painting, guys. It's the last one. Oh no! But let's get into it. This is probably the most happiest package I've received. I am just delighted, not just because the canvases, but what I love about it is it's come from a country that I've never had before. Yes, it's in America, but never from Canada. And that's what I love about this. It's from Canada, somewhere new, you know, brilliant. So let's have a look at this. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm not entirely sure what this is. Look, is it an elephant? Oh, it is. Oh, yes. Okay, wow. Ah, so this is 21 colours. This is a very, it's like, we have a wildlife charity here in the UK called the David Shepherd Wildlife Foundation, and the Art for Survival. And David Shepherd was basically an artist, and this is very much reminding me of that. Very, very cool. Unfortunately, David Shepherd sadly passed away. But the charity still runs, and oh yes, this is gorgeous. Very, very beautifully done. You've got this lovely art, and it looks like his nose is dripping here. But what I love is this lovely sort of tattoo thing going on his ear here. This is gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. 21 colours. Absolutely love it. And let's get into the bag here. So we've got a tray with the baggies, and we have the drills. So, wow. Yeah. I love the way you've stuck to all animals. That is just amazing. You've got some really, really lovely ones. I think my favourite has to be that fox. I love foxes. And then we've got pinks, and we've got blue. Oh, yes, look at this. Go, baby, go. Look at all this blue. Oh, wow. Lilac, and we've got a pink, and a brown, and a blue, and a blue, and a grey, white. That's probably, is it 782, Tessa? Because Tessa said there's an off-white colour, which I believe, I think it's 782 or 762. Orange, and a grey, and sandy white sort of colour, or pink. And then we've got a lilac. I'd say that's more purple, actually, not lilac. Then we've got a blue, and a blue, and a blue. And a lovely brown. So, yeah, thank you humbly. I cannot thank you enough.